Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another video. Today I filmed a get ready with me on this look here. I didn't finish my hair or anything yet, sorry about it. But I did a full face get ready with me with nothing but product samples, and I think it turned out pretty good. I was a little nervous there when I was just doing the foundation and concealer because I am getting ready to go somewhere, like to go to school. So I was kind of like, shit, what did I just do? But you know, it turned out okay. So let me just show you guys real quick how many samples I have and what we were working with. Look at all of these. Like, shout out to my girl Chels for like hooking me up. These are all the ones that I used today, so you'll get to see all of those. Just wanted to say thanks, little Chelly Belly, for hooking up a girl with some samples. Alright y'all, so my camera battery is dying on me, so without further ado, we're just gonna hop on into this video here. So we're just gonna jump right on in. I have all my samples set out over here on the floor. I kind of have an idea on what I want to use. Actually, that's not true. I just know what moisturizer and primer I want to use. I have no idea what foundation I want to use because I don't know what shades are gonna match me. So to start, well, I have a clean face. My face is freshly washed. I do have eyelash extensions on if it looks like I have makeup on. They're just my lashes. But other than that, I have no makeup on at all. So to start, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Skincare High Performance Maracuja Sea Brightener. It's an eye treatment. Looks like this. It's like a thicker kind of cream. So my friend Chelsea brought these samples to school, and she let me and my friend Liv go through them first, like before anyone else. And then Chelsea actually didn't go through it either, like prior to bringing it to school because she's such a goofball. But so we went through it, and then Chelsea and I took so many samples that we said we were going to have a competition and see who can do a full face of nothing but samples. So that's what I'm doing, but I was like, could be a fun video to film, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I did my under eyes, and actually it's setting now. Now that it's setting, it feels a lot better. It's not quite as sticky. This is a sample. It's the Tatcha water cream. I've never used it. This says it's for normal to oily skin. It's an anti-aging water cream moisturizer that transforms to release a burst of skin improving nutrients for refreshing hydration, clear refined skin that is prepped for makeup. This looks like this. It's in a little dish, so I'm just going to, oh, it's very I don't want to say like jellyish, but it's very not liquidy. I don't know, it feels like a good moisturizer. Oh, that feels really nice on the skin. Okay. So now that we have our eye cream and our moisturizer on, we're going to go with primer. Again, I'm going to use two products for this just because I have so many samples and I couldn't decide on just one. So the first one I want to use is, I have this, it's a sample of the Becca priming filters. I think I'm going to use the yellow one. So I'm just gonna, this is not the texture of most primers I would use, which I knew from, you know, seeing other people use it, kind of what to expect from this primer. And most of the primers I use are going to be like the next one that I put on, more of like a silicone-y kind of like a pore mattifying one. So I'm definitely stepping outside of my comfort zone with this makeup today, but I wanted to try them out. The next primer, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the spots where I know I get oily in my T-zone. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So now that my primer's all done, this sample, it is the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. And this packaging is actually really cool because here on the side it has a swatch of all the different shades that they offer, which is cool, but they give you 4. Yes, we're going to use that today. So I'm just going to conceal over these just before we go with foundation, just to make sure it's covered. I mean, not that actually. I'm not that impressed right now. I can still see all the problem areas right through it. And just a little under my eyes. This is what I usually do because I have pretty dark under eyes. This one is the Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector. So I'm going to test this one. Hopefully they have a shade that matches. This is the packaging. And then inside they give you these shades. And then they're in both sides. So we're going to try medium light. I don't know. I don't know if this is like the normal like Naked Skin foundation or if this is a different one because I didn't know it was called like a hybrid complexion perfector. I'm really liking this though. Okay, so my foundation is all applied and my skin looks better. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it though. I'm not gonna lie. I have to see how it wears. It does feel like it's going to be a dewy kind of foundation, so if you're into that, I have oily skin. That's probably why I'm not feeling so crazy about it. And I'm literally mixing a bunch of these because none of them are actually the right shade. With my beauty blender and see how it seems like it's giving nice coverage. Okay, I'm back. I just did like a light setting with my normal translucent powder, just pat it in some. So while we're on the face, we're just gonna go ahead and finish it. I have some bronzer and stuff here. I have the NARS Laguna bronzer. Okay. Now we're gonna stick with this one. I'm a bronzer fanatic, if you don't know. I love bronzer. I bronze my whole entire face. Not really. I use a big fluffy brush for bronzer though, because I'm so used to being tan and we're in this like winter spring right now. So I want to be tan and I'm not. But I really like this actually. We're gonna come back to this little guy later, but for bronzer we're good right now. We're gonna do some blush. I only have one blush sample and it is the Becca Snapdragon. Okay. This isn't actually picking up how pink it's looking in real life. Very pigmented. It's nice, but pretty pink. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Snapdragon. I don't know if I actually clarified what I was using. So now we're gonna highlight. This is the Naked Skin Highlighting Fluid. I think I'm gonna go in with Luminous. Some on the nose. This is how my skin is looking, just so you know. This is just the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and they have all 4 samples in here, and they have this one champagne one, which Champagne Shimmer is what it's called. Well, now I'm going to take a crease brush and get that NARS bronzer again. And get some of that on there and throw that in my crease for my eyeshadow. Okay. Eyeshadow done. Just about done here. Before I do my mascara, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I have the dip brows here that I'm going to use to do my brows today, but the packaging is so cute. Look at their little tiny samples. I'm going to go in with Auburn. So now I'm gonna go in with the Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Not how I thought that was gonna work. So we're just gonna set these babies. I don't even know what shade this is. Okay, I'm digging this brow game. The Kat Von D Lock It Makeup Setting Mist. So all we have left to do is lips and mascara. I have two. I have the Perversion Bigger Blacker Batter and the Lancome mascara. Okay, so that was the last time there. My camera shut off again. I want to do my lips quick. I only have 17% left of my battery, so my mascara is all done. I just put a little bit on the bottom lashes here. Last but not least, we're going to do lips. So I'm going to go in with the Stila Color Balm. I'm going to go with this shade right here. It is the shade Jessie. Okay, I dig it. I dig it. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was different. It was something I've never done before. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and come back next time. Hit the subscribe if you enjoyed. And that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.